Hi Python programmers, we're going to continue on with 4.03 and 4.04 today. If you did not watch the recording from our very last class, which was occurring before spring break, you need to go back and watch that recording. During that class time, I took the students through changing the variables for the H, the E, the L, and the O. And so as you will see here, each forward code, I changed the value in the parentheses to words. So for example, letter height, negative letter height divided by 2, letter width, letter height divided by 2, negative letter height for the H. For the E, you'll see the changes that I have made. For the L, and lastly for the O. We are now going to go in at the top of our code and we're going to put in the function variables. Without these function variables, the code actually has no use and will not run appropriately. We actually need to define what each of these space width, letter height, letter width, what they each mean. And so under our comment here, pound function variables, we're going to type in space underscore width equals 10, and we're going to put in a comment default value is 30. We're going to define letter underscore height as 50. And we're going to put in a default comment value of 100. The next is going to be letter width, which is 30. Again, we're going to put in a comment with the default value. We are now going to add in a function variable for the pen color. Sometimes you want your user to be able to change the color of the pen that they're using, or what color the hello world is going to type in. And so we're going to put in pen color equals input, and we're going to ask the person using the program to enter a color name to set the pen color. And you will see when we run the code, it's going to come up and it's going to say, enter a color name to set the pen color. And you're going to be able to type in red, green, blue, black, yellow. We are also going to go ahead and allow the user to set the pen width, or how thick the printing is, by using input. Again, we're going to say enter a number between 1 and 10 to set the pen width. Okay, we are not finished because without calling these down here at the bottom, we are not going to be able to use color or pen width. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom of my code. And after I use the move turtle, okay, I'm going to put in color, pen underscore color, and I'm going to put in width, pen underscore width. I'm going to save my code and run it. Enter a color name. I'm going to do, in this case, blue. Width, I'm going to do 8. And you will see it's printing hello world in blue, and the width of the letter is 8. Now notice world is still not correct because we have not changed the variables for W and the R, but we will be doing that in the next section of our assignment. Okay, if you are this far in the coding, then you are ready to start the assignment in our course. And if we go into the course content, the assignment is .08 graded assignment variables 1. Okay, you're going to open HelloByVariables and you are going to make adjustments to it. Be on the lookout for a video showing you how to get through the HelloByVariables assignment.